Where you gonna tell them about the prank I did on you?
Yeah. So, Mom did a prank on me. And that's why. So,
Is that all right?
no. She was abusing me.
She said I was what?
Abusing me. I forgot how to say it. Abusing me.
No, I wasn't abusing you.
What was
You was invisible.
You was invisible. Oh, she gonna say I was abusing her though.
Try to get you in trouble. Jaden quiet like that.
And he's the one that said he wanted to vlog though.
So, we taking my mom to wait. And do you want to say something?
So what's the upcoming video, Stacia?
I don't know.
Prank? No.
We're gonna be pranking.
Yep.
Sounds cool to me.
So I just want to talk to y'all just real quick. So
We gotta do a food video.
I want to talk to y'all longer. So I can talk to y'all longer when it gets dark. So I'm not going to talk to y'all when it gets dark. My mom has to stay in LA when it gets dark. So
What was this honking?
Are they hungry? They rolled the window down. It's a little
hot.
hot.
They can hear the earth.
So yeah, I'm on my way to work. Jaden, what you want to talk about? Hi, don't be shy. Yeah, we can roll it up. You can't hear. I can't even talk.
You be talking in class? That's what your teacher said.
Yeah, they say you was talking in social studies and in special area.
Ooh, it's stronger.
You said what?
I'm trying to figure out who's in that truck.
She was lying in special area.
Oh, that humped it?
Right up there. And this video is right up here. She's lying in special area. She's not talking in special area. And I was one of the
So who was talking?
I was one of the good people. So I say I was talking in special area. I see y'all guys. So guys.
She dancing.
Back with another video. Hey guys. Hey
You work with your brother today?
guys.
No, he work in the morning. I hope we ain't busy.
Mama, put on that day.
Put on.
The day right there.
I can't. Ain't nothing to put it up on.
What's she talking about?
Like to put the camera up on the thing.
It's go quiet. So, God. What's up, YouTube? Hey, be back in another video.
It's the same video, right?
Hey, YouTube. Be back in another video. So, be back in another video. 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 Hey guys. Hey guys.
That's right. So what's the plans for today?
Wait, tomorrow we're gonna make it 10.
Tomorrow we're making a tent.
Yeah, we're gonna plan to come over to our house. So yeah. Watch it, see ya. Bye bye.
Yeah, she keeps saying she won't make a tent. We can do one tomorrow when Elena come over.
You wanna make one in your room?
When's the land coming? Long time.
What, you got work tomorrow?
No, I want to go to school.
You don't want to go to school? Well, you're not missing nothing. You better off going to school.
My daddy wants to kid. He wants to go to school.
Yeah.
My daddy.
I went to school every day.
Did you, Daddy?
Yep. I never missed a day of school. That's called perfect attendance.
Mommy, what do you want to talk about?
Hmm?
What do you want to talk about? They don't want to talk about nothing.
What we gonna do tomorrow? What we gonna do tomorrow on the video?
You're not talking about nothing. Dad is not talking about nothing. Mom is not talking about nothing. He's not talking about nothing. I don't know why I have to talk about it.
You just like talking, right?
Huh?
You just like talking?
No. They two do. And I don't like talking. So yeah, I see my mama. Bye. Peace out.
We ain't going nowhere, right?
YouTube pranks coming soon.
I see ya. Bye.
Sure is.
You, Mama.
Yeah, okay.
Ow.
Y'all can prank me. It's cool. I'm a good sport. But when I prank y'all gonna be crying. And, okay. That was a lame prank. We put slime in people's hair. That wasn't even a prank. That just was slime in my hair when I was asleep. That's cool though. I know what you do to you, Jay.
Wait, no trying, and I'm going to try. Peace out. I speak clear. Can I hold the phone?
No, you keep saying peace out.
Are we really gonna cut your hair off? You gonna be crying for real like a baby.
Daddy,
Remember he used to have his little bald head?
Oh yeah. Cow you head.
don't cut Daddy's hair because I'm laughing. I'm gonna cut your hair. Mommy, y'all can play Jaden. Y'all can cut Jaden's hair. I cut your hair. I take all your clothes out. The shorts, the pink, the shirt, everything.
You hear everybody swear.
Mm-hmm.
You can take your other ones out.
What is she talking
happened?
about?
Jane, put your seatbelt on.
I got my seatbelt on. You want to be safe?
Go almost all the way up here.
Do you want to be safe? You want to be safe? You want to be safe? Want to be safe? You want to be safe? Yeah, guys. That's the plan. And I'm not talking now.
I'm glad
She
now
been-
people can see like what we got put up with her. Jay's back there being shy, but
Why you need an ice?
Get that out of your mouth. Get that out your mouth.
where'd you get that from? On the floor?
Yeah. This one's forward.
I forgot you a DB.
I'm not DB like you.
You're a DB.
Why you taking your pockets? Your other ones to me. Step to it, step good, step. I'm at the sled. Step forward.
Look at that.
You want me to hit you?
Uh,
You want me to hit you?
Because when you say you missed me, it's like past tense. But then you said, no, you don't. Like,
making up stuff. He be saying, I be saying some old other stuff. It's on video, so you can rewind it.
Put my hand like this. Put my hand right there on my leg. I don't know.
What would you do if I didn't pick you up from work?
Yeah, guys, that's the plan. And I hope to the camera.
stop hitting him, that's right.
I'm not talking to the camera. So yeah, guys, I see you guys tomorrow.
Why you keep trying to get off her? You don't want to talk to you too?
Who?
You.
Yeah, already in.
Oh.
I'm not talking about my So, waiters coming over. Everybody already coming over. Yesterday. Yesterday. It was Saturday. Saturday.
It was Labor Day.
Stop, there's
It
rain.
was Saturday. It was Saturday.
Stop
It was
kicking me.
Snorty Day. So guys, I see you guys
Stop. Stop. There's a rain. Stop touching me. Stop touching me.
I don't know who closed
Calm
today.
down. Now you're not supposed to be over here.
Desiree, what you hollering for?
Because Jaden not over there by mommy.
I'm not having cars try to do that.
Hey guys.
I'm trying to get over this
Hey
speed.
guys.
I was gonna say something, I can't.
I'm sorry to hurt all y'all guys. I'm out of here. And don't listen to me. I'm grown. But I'm Mama, this
What's for
No,
dinner?
you're
Yeah,
not.
that's the real thing. What's for dinner? Because I'm hungry.
Comment down below what you're eating for dinner.
What's y'all eating for dinner? Oh, Kim.
Stop. That's free.
Stop braiding your hair. Mom, Jaden braiding him hair. Mommy, Jaden braiding him hair. Jaden braiding
That's right. You don't gotta tell everything.
hair.
Yeah, but YouTube gotta let us know what they want us to do videos about.
Yeah, y'all. This little girl is. This little girl me.
Peek, peek, peek.
What y'all want to go on the next level?
Jade, you gonna tell me your YouTube name?
What you doing? I'm gonna.
Remember you used to?
Yeah, it's not on.
None of them.
How you did that? I didn't know you took it down. That's very quick.
That's my hand. Mama! I'm always listen her. You just say hi to the camera? Daddy? Daddy. So him, Freddy,
It's
don't
been
want
14
to
minutes.
talk. He don't want to talk.
Wow. So we've been talking for 3 minutes. No, we're
That's like onions out here, don't it?
18 minutes.
Yeah, I do.
19 minutes. We're gonna have about 18 minutes. What? Okay.
Catch me!
We're in this car for really right.
Me in this car for 2 days ago.
Two.
Yeah,
That's not good.
we gotta do a last to leave the car challenge too.
Yeah, we doing.
Oh, I told you that. And you was like, nah, well, it's getting cooler. You said it was too hot.
We're doing that
I
with
mean,
the
yeah,
ladies.
I could sit in the car all day after hers on.
Yeah, and then you ain't gonna have no gas.
Yeah, I know.
He's gonna be locked in the
The
car.
YouTube money you pay me though.
Aha! Jaden.
No.
asking me or are you telling me?
I'm asking you.
Hey guys! Hey guys! Hey guys!
You said tomorrow. In about a month.
Get your feet off there.
Huh.
No, I can put my son there.
How you gonna tell him to stop doing something that you about to do?
Because I'm the big sister the whale.
You're right.
I'm the big sister. So I can tell you what to do. I'm the big sister.
Yep.
You do good.
Shaped just like your head.
I was putting my feet on there.
Hey, put your feet down. Did I get your feet off?
Tell me.
Desiree.
You doing the most, Desiree. You need to calm down.
What the hell? Should I tell me?
You tell me. First miss how?
How you gonna say?
Who you talking to?
Jane.
She changed quick.
She's talking to me.
You look cute, Tasia. You posing?
No. Oh, thank you though.
What's that, beautiful? Why are you talking there, since you was
It's
I thought you was sad. Wow.
Oh my god.
Why you going so fast?
I'm trying to get you to work on time.
It's 4:53. I ain't trying to get it too early.
We'll be here like 10 months.
Go live
No, it's
outside.
not. Well, he said we'll
Live
be
outside. We living outside.
here like shit.
We living outside.
We know.
Oh, man.
I mean, yeah, 6 minutes to drive. 6 plus 3 equal 9.
Then look at I got somebody peel my skin off with a knife. Somebody peel my skin
Desiree,
off
you just
with
be
a knife.
talking, bro.
Look.
Yeah.
Somebody did with a knife. Look. Somebody did
Hey,
with
what
a
is
knife.
it?
It goes
What's somebody talking about?
it's my skin.
No, her skin just been peeling like that. Oh, my hand's hurting.
No, don't leave.
No, I'm not leaving.
Bye, Mama. Love you.
I'm about to see something.
Bye, Mama. Love you.
Hey, YouTube. Bye.
So y'all, unfortunately my prank failed. We only got like 3 honks.
Hey, that was somebody honked at me.
3 people did.
Bye, Mama. Love you.
I knew you did something. I was wondering why that car was honking at me.
They were smiling at you. 2 other cars did too, but I couldn't see them in their car.
What the?
2 pranks back to back, Ray and
Put it
Davon.
back on
Even
there.
though we didn't get that many honks.
Put it back on there.
Yeah, so that was a dud. That wasn't really a good prank.
Okay, but so what?
That was a
But
dud.
because people probably weren't really paying attention, and like it was hard to read because I put it on the back.
Yeah, so it wasn't a
Because
good
I had to
prank
do it
then.
fast.
So
record
Team
it?
Davon.
Team me, because we still got
He
some
said,
honks.
did you even record it? Jaden, what's in front of you?
Now I'm talking about when you put it on the thing. On the car.
Oh no, I didn't have time to because I was trying to rush, and I won't make it obvious.
I knew you was doing something. I should have got out and looked. I knew you was doing something.
Wait on that.
Ha ha ha.
Okay, y'all saw for this video. I'm about to go in here to this place.
Bye, guys.
Desiree say bye.
Bye, Mommy.
I'm
I
not gonna
love
do
you.
it. I ain't getting out yet.
Oh, you probably
Desiree
came
say bye.
back.
Already say that.
Okay,
Bye.
we out, y'all.